Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to read my diary from 16th of March 2018. It's very interesting. Okay, let me read. It's not matter that matters, it's manner. Repeat until you can say it well. Learn to say it well. What am I grateful for today? I'm grateful of being alive. I'm grateful of all the facilities like internet, food, clothes, job. I'm grateful of my parents, my husband, my siblings, my in-laws, my grandparents. I'm grateful of helping and supportive friends. I'm grateful of my tutor today. I'm grateful of my husband leaving me at work. I'm grateful of my friend doing a video call and telling me that I looked beautiful. So, what lessons did I learn today? Number 1, get to know all of the things happening. What's positive or what's negative happening in the community. Number 2, be more aware of what's going on. Number 3, fascination. Be fascinated with life. Have curiosity, interest. How child learns 6 to 7 languages in 6 to 7 years. It's because of curiosity and fascination. Be fascinated rather than frustrated. Smile more. Number 4, sensitivity. Learn to walk in someone's shoes for a while, trying to comprehend, understand the necessity. Being sensitive to someone's view. Number 5, diplomacy. Having sensitive to wider deal. Gathering ideas come under this. Getting ready for something is this. Don't be lazy in gathering ideas. It's not important what you said, but how you said it. So what new things did I learn today? Number 1, Elizabeth II, Queen, since 1952 to present, became head of the Commonwealth and Queen Regnant of the 7 independent Commonwealth countries: the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Pakistan and Ceylon. Number 2, I learned about balloon sleeves, especially in clothing. Number 3, cat eye flick. Number 4, confer. It means having a meeting in order to talk something over. Number 5, harry. Annoy continually or chronically. Number 6, allege. Report or maintain. That's all I have in here. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye.